is Bitcoin going next? Incredible question, and I'm going to answer that for you all in a second. Now, before I do that, I just want to say thank you for all our new subscribers. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe because it helps us come up on the YouTube algorithm. And remember to ask questions in the comment section because it allows me to respond to these and make a completely new video answering the question in more detail. Now, with that being said, Bitcoin has been an absolutely phenomenal cryptocurrency, and we could say it is the king of them all. Now, as you can see, we saw a major rally at the start of the year from price going to 27,000 all the way up to $42,000, which is a significant move to the upside. So what are we seeing now? We're seeing price now pull back to the downside. As you can see, we have a very heavy pullback now, close to 30%. Now remember, if you watch my most recent videos, I said on Bitcoin we will see large pull downs, and now that will be on average between 10 to 30%. What does that mean? That means I'm looking for buying positions right now. Why? Because I'm sticking to that consensus, right? Anytime Bitcoin pulls back around 30%, price usually then rallies, bounces off, finds a new support, and then continues its trend to the upside. So if you don't own any Bitcoin, now could be a good time to buy. Now, first and foremost, why is it important to why is pullbacks important? The reason why pullbacks are important is because, number one, it gives you a chance to be able to enter a position if you missed the move already. So for example, let's say you missed the rally from 27,000, price went up to 42,000 and you want an entry. Now you're obviously not going to buy when price is at an all-time high. You want a pullback. So therefore this, if you don't own any Bitcoin at all, would be good for you because it allows you to buy at a cheaper price. And number two, it's very healthy for any market, right? To see any market go in a straight line is never a good thing because it's usually an indication of a bubble. Now these pullbacks usually happen because of profit taking, so traders taking profit, etc. And pullbacks are also good because it allows you to add your positions, right? So if you already are hodling Bitcoin and you want to buy more, then obviously a pullback is all you need to enter again. So what are we looking for now? Let's draw out our support and resistance lines. Now, technical analysis is a strategy that is used across many different markets, which is the stock market, forex market, and loads of different markets, even commodity markets. And the reason why we use technical analysis is because it allows us to map out where price is and gives us an indication of where price could basically go. So we're looking at historical data on the chart to map out our next trade. So let's first look at our key area of support. So this will be a key area of support around the 19,000 area. This is where the all-time high level was broken. And what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to draw a rectangular structure level so you can see pretty much where this structure is. Now that indicates anytime price moves to this level, we can look for a heavy long position at this level because price ideally shouldn't break below this support. It should reject the support and then continue to the upside. So here's an example. Price pulls back to support and then we see a rejection and price moves back to the upside. Now, are we going to see price move back to 19,000? I highly doubt that. If price does move all the way back to that level, I would be a bit concerned, especially if you bought at 42,000, but nevertheless, it would still be a good level to buy. Now, I believe we're going to see price reject around this level. Now, I could draw out Fibonacci's and stuff. I probably, if you want me to go into in-depth technical analysis, I want you to comment below, get deep, just one word, get deep, right? Now, that sounds a bit wrong, but yeah, so do that in the comment section and then I'll be able to do an in-depth video on that because right now we're on the monthly time frame on Bitcoin. Now, where would we say our next resistance level could be? our next resistance level would be back at our all-time high area, which would be the 42,000, which means we've got a decent range here. So we got between 20,000, 19,000, all the way to 42,000. So ideally, we even want price to go back to this level for a heavy buy, or we could stick to our buying position of 10 to 20% drawdowns and then look for a pullback in order to buy. So like I said, this to us is a great level to enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the charts exactly like this. I'm going to show you how powerful technical analysis is, as well as, you know, studying the patterns of your currency, whether that's cryptocurrency, any asset class. When you can study its rhythm and you can understand its pullback, it allows you to be able to take advantage of that. Now remember, I said 10 to 30% drawdown, and then we usually see price rally to the upside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys and update you the bounce, right? Guaranteed, well, I'm not going to say guaranteed because nothing is guaranteed, but we are likely to see price now pull back to the upside. If price does close below this mini support area, then it's likely that our next target would be around the 19,000 level, which would be very, very concerning. But nevertheless, that's fine because we do believe in this project long term. But let's have a look. Will we see price close below this mini support, or are we going to see price rally and continue to the upside? I think we're going to rally and continue to the upside. So the next target is back to all-time highs. I'm going to say 40 to 42,000, and I'll keep you all updated on that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll speak to you all soon.